Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vijay Mayer garu, and sir, please.
This is the first time that I probably have come, and I am not expecting to speak anything. So, from my heart, I'll just say this. I already have one brother in Hyderabad in the name of Harish Shankar, and through this film, I found another Anna. Thank you very much, Ravi Anna. I cherish every minute of our shooting and how you made it easy. And speaking of making it easy, Vishwa sir, everybody knows how quick this film was mounted, and it has gone without a hitch, and it has been completed so fast thanks to you and Vivek sir. So thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to be a part of this film. And a film that is done well always does well. So I can feel that we are going to be having a very good film, and it's up to all of us to make it a blockbuster. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. I'm already in the audience ready to watch the movie. Thank you. పాణ్యం ఎమ్మెల్యే గారు శ్రీ గౌరీ చరితారెడ్డి గారికి కూడా సాదర స్వాగతం పలుకుతూ ఉన్నాము.